So we're working on making Instapot apple cider for some holiday fun. And the first step is always making sure your produce is clean and free of pesticides and residues. So I just used about 5 drops of doTERRA lemon oil in this middle bowl, and the apples have been soaking. So that is step 1, clean your produce. The next step is to cut up your fruit. So we used a mixture of apples, a number of different kinds. We use clementines instead of oranges, and a lemon, and this is a vanilla bean. So you cut them all up. Now we're gonna add water and fill to just above the fruit. Then we're gonna use a 1/2 cup of raw sugar, and I'm gonna use a little bit of local honey as well, so you can use your sweetener of choice. So we're gonna put that in. Perfect. So we realized we're out of cinnamon sticks, and we don't have any cloves, and we don't have star anise. So here's what we're gonna do instead. We're gonna use our doTERRA oils and put 1 to 2 drops of each in here, and then after we cook it, we're going to see how we like the flavor and adjust as needed. So some suggestions for you are Cassia, clove bud, cinnamon, wild orange, star anise, or you could choose On Guard and some star anise, and that would be a great solution. So water's in, sweetener's in, or sugar's in, and now we're gonna add oils. Okay, so now we've got all the ingredients in the pressure cooker in our Ninja, and we're going to start it and put it at pressure cook and on for 15 minutes. And when you're done, you're just gonna do a slow natural release. So here's the result. We put it on for 15 minutes and then did a natural release. It tastes delicious. And what you would do is you can strain out a lot of it. What I'll probably do is just take it out of the pot and leave in there longer. But it is so good. So I hope you try that. If you do, let me know in the comments.